Happy July 4th. Don't look at houses or a tree. If you're gonna burn houses, why don't you just go eat a cockroach? Don't go burn houses, cause you could get herpes. Hey, don't get it, don't get it. That's Corban, that's F and F and Corban. This is the second video. What are we gonna talk about now? July 4th? Yeah, I already talked about that July 4th. You can eat walruses, no one will care. No one will effing care. Because that's what you do on July 4th. You just eat a walrus. You catch them on fire. You make them into fireworks. And then you just run wild. That's the point of July 4th. It's like, what are we doing to walruses? What have they done to any plant or tree? Just stop, please. I didn't sneeze. You effing sneeze. You said I should. You liar. You are a liar. You filthy creature, vermin. Oh, why? It was just a joke. Please don't hurt me. Now I'm gonna kill you. Oh, I'm sorry. What is it? Smoke the hell? What is you doing? Why did I start this video? I don't even know what to talk about. What's a good thing to talk about? File. Did that pop up? I don't know. It's like, that's illegal. That's illegal. They could go to jail. I could go to jail. And I'm embarrassing. Everybody's laughing at me saying, what is that? You're not a dolphin. Where did that voice come from? And I say, yes. Maybe I'm a dolphin. Who the hell are you to tell me? I love you, whoever you are. I didn't mean to get mad. You're just trying to wear your pantyhose. I don't care if you're a guy. That's who you are. If you want to wear fake boobies, fake hands and stuff, go do that, man. If you want to do that, do it. Bro, what if I go wear long hair and say I'm a woman? Looks more like a dog or something there, but okay. Okay, I guess this is long hair. Whatever, man. We'll use this as a hat. Yeah. Hey. Walrus. Stop! Freaking Corban, man. You're pissing me off right now. Sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm tired. Okay, this is another second video. I hope you enjoyed. My name is Corban. I only talk to ramen. Knock knock. Oh, who's there? At you. God bless you.